Welcome, people. We're working when checking in on this 28 GMC TERRAIN. Show you guys how to take this tail gate apart. Show you guys how to take out these two tail lamps. Take off this piece right here. Take off the spoiler and the trim panel. All right. Enough said. Let's get to work. First, you're gonna need it's a T15 star tip. With a screw right there. Don't take that screw out. That's what the screw looks like. Go ahead and take that screw out of there. Then you're going to take this piece off. But you need a clip puller and put it in the crease. Pull it down towards you. Pull it out. All right. Pull that piece off. Next, take that one off. All right, that's on the side. All right, leave it there. Then you're gonna pull this piece off. You're gonna hold it like this and pull it down. Unplug the lift gate. Unplug that. That's how you take that off. Go ahead. Take that piece out of there. Now, let's take out these lamps. There's some screws over here. I'm gonna show you guys those screws. Okay, these are the screws for the tail lamp. Now, those are number 7. There's one right there. There's another one right inside there. So there's 2 of them. The same thing for this side. There's one right there. There's another one right there. Those are the screws. You take those screws off and you pop this light out, okay? Now, to take off that chrome molding, which is this piece right here, to take this piece off right here, move those screws from there. That's 1, 2, 3. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Take those three screws out and pop that piece out of there, okay? You see this? That is the plug for it. You're gonna unplug it from there, pop it out, and take the screws out. Now for the spoiler. You see the spoiler? You're gonna take the screws out. That's 1, 2, 3. 3 screws. And take this piece off as well. Same thing over here. That is a 10. Take that from there. There's another one right there. Take that 10 out. Take that one out. And take these screws out. Okay? All those screws is holding the spoiler. Once you guys take those screws out of there, go ahead and pop the spoiler from off of there. Now you guys stay tuned so I'll show you how to do it. Alright guys, those screws for the light is not a 7, it's a number 8. You're gonna unplug it first. Unplug those lights. Take those screws out of there. Use something to pop it out. All right. You knock it out and pull it forward, and it comes out. Do that. That's how you take out the tail lamp. Okay, guys? Now, let's take out this chrome molding. I show you guys the points already. All you gotta do next is the work. That's it. Those are the 3 screws that I show you guys how to take out. Then you unplug it. Unplug it. Now the screws don't loose. Let's pop it out of there. See? It comes right out. You guys take the screws out. Pop the clip out of there. It comes out, baby. All right? Now, the last thing to do is the spoiler. I'll show you guys the points already. Just do exactly what I told you to do. Take those screws out and pop it out. All right, guys, that's a T27, those screws. Those. I'll show you guys the points already, T27. Alright guys, that right there is the antenna. Take it out, unplug it from here, and it comes right out. Just pop those clips out and it comes right out. Alright, I got all the screws out. Now let's take the 10 screws from behind there, the 10. Remember, I show you guys the points already, number 10. I'm just doing what I show you guys how to do already. Now, let's unplug the wires, then we're going to take off the spoiler. You're going to lock that so the gate won't lock on you. Just push it in. Now, I got all the screws loose. Just pop it off of there. You see? Snap it off there. It comes off. Now, y'all see these plugs? These plugs got to be loose. Take that one loose first. Okay, now to lose this one right here, just squeeze it. That is the water for the washer. Just squeeze it and pull it out. See that? You see the end right there? Just squeeze it at the same time and pull it out. That's how you take that out, okay guys? That's how you do that. Comes right out. Bam. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Work your way and checking out, baby. Rah!